assets that will generate cash flow for your financial success. You know what a positive cash flow is? When the cash keeps in running. In easy words, cash flow is when the money keeps coming in and less money is spent. People often think profit and cash flow are the same thing, but it's not. Cash flow is the money that's entering and then spending, whereas profit is the difference between money that is earned and money that's spent. However, when we talk about cash flow, everyone has the image of investment. Investment in income-generating things gives you a stable future. Even for investing in income-generating assets, investment plans, and stocks, you have to pay money. Investing in assets is a great idea because investment in assets generate money consistently. The process is a bit slow for sure, but they are generating some money for you and for your future. Stable incoming money with time will give you good paybacks in your life. However, it is not easy to find completely passive investments and income-generating assets often. They mostly require a little involvement of cash, due to which the time you would give and the potential returns will depend on the type of investment you choose. Some investment returns are low, like saving plans. Before you get into investment, you should first look at your financial situation, especially if you haven't invested before. Because investment comes with a little risk of losing it all, in today's video, we'll learn about assets that will generate cash flow for your financial success. Let's dive in. Investment in real estate. One of the biggest investment strategies in this world is properties and real estate. Real estate is a safe way of investment. Some people like to invest in land. Several real estate investing strategies generate either way high paychecks or low paychecks. There is no in between. However, real estate investment is one of the most common investments and includes investments in rental properties or buying and selling of properties, and it surely gives you a healthy amount of money. Real estate consists of purchasing a house or some properties and then marketing it to tenants to earn rental income easily is definitely a great way if you want the money to keep coming continuously. Rental properties offer the opportunity to generate massive income for long periods of time. Have you ever noticed that businessmen hires property managers that deal for them so that their property runs smoothly and they don't have to get much involved with the property matters? You get excellent amount of money if you plan a long-term investment and if it's a short-term investment plan in projects like stands or apartments. These can provide even more excellent amount of money. Stocks. Stocks are the second most attractive plan when it comes to having passive income. It can provide you with very high returns in a short period. It is very important to know the difference between investing in stocks and investing in mutual funds. People often consider these as the same thing, but let me tell you the difference. Individual stocks gives the chance to buy shares in a company to test the worth of a company or industry in the open market. On the other hand, investing in mutual funds involves investing in different stocks of more than one company to earn income from different areas. According to observations, mutual funds are said to be safer than individual stocks. There's less risk of losing the money, and individual stocks also provide higher income or return in a short period. There are companies and technical analysts who can guide you on how much to invest and where to invest. They can guide you how long you need to wait for to get a full refund over your deposit. Coca-Cola or Pfizer or Apple or Microsoft are the best stocks options for a starter stock portfolio. Blogging. The most vital technique for generating passive income is to start a blog. Blogs generate an outstanding amount of income, but not really fast. If you intend to start a blog, understand that it will take a massive amount of work and time to be successful. As long as you've got a clear knowledge of factors like search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and Special 6 if you have got the ability to write high-value content, then you'll be successful with the blog writing. Once your blog will become popular, it offers you with the platform and audience to generate multiple streams through advertising and marketing your services. Commodities. Commodities is one of the best investment strategy. Investing in commodities means investing in raw materials like marbles, petrol oil, also in agricultural goods. Investing in commodities have massive returns. Commodity investment protects investors against the effects of inflation. You could also profit off commodities by means of using futures contracts. In 9W, you might think what future contract is. Future contract is an agreement to basically purchase or promote a commodity at a really unique rate and date. You can earn a lot of money through future contracts if you have knowledge about the commodity price. However, you could also lose a lot of money too. You should be sure for all intents of the risks involved. Agriculture sector. Investing in agriculture sector is one of the best income generating ideas for a lot of reasons. Unlike many investment types on the e-commerce side, farmland doesn't have the same kind of relation with the market because it provides necessary resources like vegetables and dairy products. Therefore, the demand for farmland has been increasing rapidly throughout history. The rapid rise in population and increasing need for financial increase alongside with food manufacturing are some of the elements due to which we see the rise in this industry. However, a lot of issues such as soil degradation, water supply problems, shortage of land, and so on are what is somewhat the reasons for the farmers to use agrochemicals products. Renting or lending your items, furniture, not-in-use accessories is a very simple way to generate recurring cash flow. This basic and common strategy is used by some of the most profitable businesses. There are simple steps. Some are using online platforms to create ads for the things and people can rent them from you. With some efforts, you'll start an income. These income-generating assets can be physical like self-storage facilities, food trucks, 3D printers with print-on-demand service, or online car rental services, which is a trend these days. You can lend land, farmlands, and you can put your expensive clothes which are not in use for rent. Recently, in India, people started to provide their marriage suits on rent, high-end clothes and handbags, parking lots, motorbikes, heavy vehicles, or industrial machines for contract manufacturing or your house on rent. In this world of digital everything is possible. P2P lending. P2P lending is a form of direct lending of money to individuals or businesses without going to banks. It's also called crowdlending. P2P raises loans who need to borrow from people who intend to invest. Both parties, those who want to borrow and those who want to invest, register themselves online. P2P is for savers who get high interest and borrowers who get personal loans at better rates. It's a great platform for those who want to boost their investments. People find it risky, but in investments, risks are meant to be taken. Bonds. What are bonds? Bonds are the loans taken out by the company. There are two types. Either way, you buy a bond or you trade a bond. If you buy a bond, you can simply collect the interest payments while you look forward to the bond to reach the date the company has agreed to pay back the bond at face value. However, you could also buy and sell bonds. After bonds are issued, their worth will vary like the worth of stocks would. If you're holding the bond, the fluctuations won't matter, your interest payments and face value won't change. Bonds provide you two potential benefits when you hold them. They provide you circulation of income and they offset a number of volatility you may see from owning stocks. YouTube videos. In this era of technology, every other person is working remotely. YouTube is such a great source of income. Who doesn't use YouTube nowadays? However, it takes millions of views, then your income will start generating, but all online work asks you for its consistency. You cannot just post a single video every month and expect a heavy paycheck. People researched that what do famous YouTubers do, and there was a lot of YouTubers who teach students, who are speakers and many more. If you plan on making YouTube videos, learn from other people and apply the formula in your own way. Sell online courses. Every other student these days is studying online, be it a high school student or a college student, and online courses is a really good idea for quick earning. Example, if you start selling an online course and a student buys your course, if it would be helpful for him, he would suggest it to his friends, and that's how the chain starts. From one student to second student, from second student to third, and so on. You really don't have to make a technical course. You can teach how to play an instrument or a new language, or become a photographer. I personally prefer to teach technical courses since not everyone can afford expensive courses, and selling courses at affordable prices would be very beneficial for you. People also prefer to learn technical courses online. In the end, it's never too late to start earning. No matter where you live or how you plan on living, you can start building your future by investing in assets that will generate income. The first step toward freedom from financial stress or toward wealth is that you should make up a budget in which you should write down all of your expenses and the sources of income that you have thought about and how are you going to plan it and all the other questions. There are tons of examples of income-generating assets that investors, companies, or experts can choose that will profit them a lot of manner. With the time passing by and with the right dedication and the right choices, all the entrepreneurs that are not taking interest in real estate right now will find it as a great choice as a source of passive income. By minding your business and choosing the right income-producing assets, you can get closer to your goal of becoming wealthy in the future without worrying about how are you going to survive when you're old. That's it for today. Let's see you in the next video. For now, hit the like button and don't forget to tell us which option did you find the most helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. And let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.